Hey guys, this is Tejaswini. Welcome back to Med Squared. So in this video, we'll be discussing about our weekly schedule. That is the week 1 of our phase 1 of our preparation. As we'll be starting with pharmacology, pathology and microbiology, we can actually study for both our university exams as well as for step 1. So initially we'll start from the middle of the textbook for almost all subjects. That is because in the third semester some of the chapters have been completed, but most of us will be having exams and the syllabus that is for our 4th sem and our 5th sem. So we'll first do our 4th sem syllabus and then the 5th sem syllabus, and then at the end go back to our 3rd sem syllabus and revise it all. So we'll start from the middle. So our daily plan will include about 3 to 4 hours of study. So initially you might have difficulty. So don't worry, don't get overwhelmed or feel anxious about it. It is quite normal and it is the same for everyone. So start slowly with 1 hour and then increase it to almost 4 hours. And if you are able to do it, then you can increase it furthermore. Now let me tell you about what we'll be doing in this 3 to 4 hours. So if we take a particular subject, we will be watching a video that is approximately of 30 minutes in length. And after we complete watching that video, we will read the PDF or the notes for that particular topic, and then rewatch the video, and then reread the material, and then do Anki cards for that particular subject. So it is like two cycles of studying and watching videos, and per day per subject it is of 30 minutes of duration, the video itself, and the remaining time can be utilized for studying. So 1.5 hour of video watching, that is for all the 3 subjects together, and then revising them and studying them and using Anki cards at the end of each session. So for this week, let us discuss what we'll study in each subject. In pathology, we will do vascular pathology and cardiovascular pathology. And in microbiology, we will be covering the gram-positive cocci. In pharmacology, we will be doing CVS and renal pharmacology. We will be doing heart failure drugs and diuretics. I've also included the detailed schedule in the description box below, and as you could have already seen it in the video. So if you want to know how to use each resource efficiently, I'll be making a few other videos soon. So keep watching and hope you follow the schedule. Bye. So if you like this video, do like and subscribe.